Hey classers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you ready to spice things up and challenge your friend in Clash of Clans? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to attack your friend in Clash of Clans using your iPhone. Let's dive right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Clash of Clans application. Once you are in your home screen, head on to your clan chat. As you can see, I have not joined any clan, but I will guide you on how to attacking your friend. Firstly, you both need to be in the same clan. If your friend isn't in your clan yet, invite them now. Once you are both in same clan, make sure your base is in top shape. Upgrade your troops, spells, and siege machines for maximum impact. Here is where the magic happens. To attack your friend, you need to issue a friendly challenge. Tap onto the clan castle icon to open the clan chat. From here, your friend need to post their base for a friendly challenge. They can do this by tapping their profile, selecting friendly challenge and choosing the layout they want to share. Now it's time for the fun part, attacking. Once your friend base is shared in the clan chat, tap onto the friendly challenge and select attack. Remember, this is just for fun. It won't affect your trophies or resources. Feel free to experiment with your new strategy. Let's show them who's boss. And that's it classes. Now you know how to attack your friend in Clash of Clans.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.